Hey guys, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to add a currency converter to your website. So the currency converter is used to just add on website for your users for convenience. You can set it or convert and see what's the currency converts into as per the current rate, whatever it may be, according to the country or the currency. So just go to store and click on currency converter and just drag this or simply click that and it will get added as per this case. It is getting added. It has got added here, and now it has the settings. So currently it has this INR. You can add currencies. This is main currency. Then so for design basically, then currency name, get white, add currencies. But unfortunately we need to upgrade this to use this feature. So once we buy a new business plan, we just then need to this option will be available for you, then you can use it. So I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.